Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is a video number 25. In this video, we will learn open recent file quickly in Excel. So let's start. To open recent files quickly, and if you are already inside the Excel, go to the File tab and you can see the Recent tab. You will find all the files you have worked on recently. Okay, you can see when you keep cursor here one option add favoritize. You can add the favoritize here, and you can see the second tab is favoritize. You can check your favoritize Excel file, and if you want to check here the share with me file, those you Excel file share with you from another person, you can check here the list. Okay, and the one more thing here, the one option, the share option, you can share this Excel file any other person also. Just click on it, and here you just upload on your OneDrive, and after that you can share it. Okay, to open this recent file, simply double click on this file and you can open your recent file. And the second way, simply right click on the mouse and click on the open, and the Excel file will open. And the second option, open file location, you can check the file location also. I just click on it, and you can see my file location is open and desktop. Okay, I just close it, and next I just right click on it. If you want to delete, just click on the delete file option, and the next right click on it. And if you want to add favoritize, here also option, and copy path of the clipboard, just click on the copy path of the clipboard. I just go back and check my clipboard, and here you can see your file path here showing. Okay, again go to the file tab and again right click on it. If you want to remove from list, you can just click on it and you can remove from this list also. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.